Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? Of taking that brilliant idea and turning it into a thriving reality? It's a dream shared by millions, but the journey from concept to established enterprise can feel incredibly daunting. There's the paperwork, the legalities, the compliance requirements. It's enough to make even the most passionate entrepreneur hesitate. That's where companies like ZenBusiness step in, aiming to simplify the complex world of business formation and management. They position themselves as a guiding hand, helping aspiring business owners navigate the intricacies of setting up an LLC, corporation, or other entity, and providing ongoing support. But behind every successful company, there's a driving force, a leader steering the ship, someone with a vision, expertise, and the determination to bring that vision to life. And when you're entrusting your entrepreneurial dreams to a platform, it's natural to wonder, who is that person? Who is at the helm of ZenBusiness, the company dedicated to making entrepreneurship accessible to everyone? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain to answer that very question. Who is the CEO of ZenBusiness? The individual leading ZenBusiness as its CEO and co-founder is Ross Burdorf. Now, Ross Burdorf isn't just a figurehead. He's a seasoned entrepreneur and technologist with a significant track record in building successful ventures. His journey to ZenBusiness is a testament to his deep understanding of technology's power to solve complex problems and his commitment to empowering individuals. Before co-founding ZenBusiness in 2017, Ross was perhaps best known for his role as the founding Chief Technology Officer, CTO of HomeAway. For those unfamiliar, HomeAway was a pioneering vacation rental marketplace that grew into a global powerhouse, eventually being acquired by Expedia in 2015. This experience at HomeAway wasn't just about building a tech platform. It was about scaling a business, integrating numerous acquisitions, and creating a seamless user experience across a vast and diverse marketplace. This deep dive into the operational complexities and technological solutions for a rapidly expanding company undoubtedly laid crucial groundwork for his vision at ZenBusiness. But his experience stretches back even further. Ross's career began in the technology sector, where he developed the first fault-tolerant Unix box at Tandem Computers. This early exposure to cutting-edge technology and problem-solving through innovation has clearly shaped his approach to leadership and product development. He also crossed paths with his future ZenBusiness co-founder, Shanaz Hematai, during their time at Excite.com, one of the internet's early web portals. These shared experiences, building and scaling digital platforms in the nascent stages of the internet, helped them define the core vision for ZenBusiness. A comprehensive, worry-free platform where small business owners could access the tools, education, and expert guidance they needed, all in one place. So, what does Ross Burdorf bring to the table as CEO of ZenBusiness? It's a blend of strategic leadership, a deep commitment to the entrepreneurial spirit, and a strong belief in the power of technology to simplify and demystify business ownership. Under his leadership, ZenBusiness has rapidly become one of the fastest-growing platforms for business formation and compliance. They've helped hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs, reportedly over 800,000 as of recent figures, to form legal business entities, stay compliant with regulations, and access AI-powered tools and support to scale their ventures. His philosophy, as evidenced by his statements and the company's mission, centers on empowering entrepreneurs from all walks of life. He believes in removing the fear and complexity often associated with starting a business, allowing individuals to pursue their goals and achieve success on their own terms. This isn't just about offering a service. It's about fostering an environment where anyone with an idea can feel confident in taking the leap into entrepreneurship. ZenBusiness, under Ross's guidance, operates as a public benefit corporation. This designation highlights a commitment beyond just profit. It signifies a dedication to a positive impact on society. In ZenBusiness's case, that societal benefit is explicitly tied to making business ownership more accessible and supportive for a broad demographic of individuals. This aligns perfectly with Ross's expressed commitment to empowering entrepreneurs regardless of their background or prior experience. The company's offerings reflect this mission, extending beyond just initial business formation. ZenBusiness provides a suite of services designed to support businesses throughout their life cycle. This includes crucial aspects like registered agent services, compliance alerts, tools for managing finances, website building, and even access to tax and accounting support. The integration of AI into these tools is a particular focus for Ross, as he believes it can provide personalized guidance and streamline operations in ways that were previously unimaginable for small business owners. He often emphasizes that ZenBusiness's AI goes beyond general applications by using specific business data to provide customized assistance, truly making a difference for their users. Ross Burdorf's leadership also extends to fostering a strong internal culture at ZenBusiness. As a fully remote company with a diverse team, the focus on inclusivity and empowerment is not just external for their customers, but also deeply embedded in their organizational values. This commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion is seen in initiatives like a dedicated DEI committee, cultural awareness programs, and support for minority-owned businesses. In essence, Ross Burdorf is the architect behind ZenBusiness's strategic direction and its unwavering commitment to making entrepreneurship more attainable and less stressful. His background in scaling major tech platforms, coupled with his passion for empowering small business owners, provides a unique and effective leadership approach. He understands the challenges, and he leverages technology and a customer-centric mindset to create solutions that resonate with the dreams of aspiring entrepreneurs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.